I am going to teach about percentage. Out of 100, it is generally calculated on out of 100 how much. Out of 100 how much. For example, 30% means 30 by 100. So it is out of 100, it is 30. For example, if in a school there are 350 students. Out of 350 students, girl students, out of 1000 students, and find the percentage of boys. Find the percentage of boys. In this question, how you calculate the percentage of boys? First you find out the boys. How many boys are there? The boys are 1000 minus 350. It is 750. So the number of boys are 750. So find what is the percentage? It is calculated on the total number. Total number is 1000. 1000. Here it is 1000, and boys, number of boys 750, and it is generally calculated on 100. So cut down this and this. Another 0 is cut down, 75%. So you can find out the percentage with the help of this calculator. Some more facts about percentage. For example, 3:5. It is in the ratio form. How you calculate it is on percentage. How you calculate in the percentage form. It is in the fractional form is 3 by 5. You already know that 3 by 5 into 100. Why you multiply 100? Because you have to calculate the percentage. This is the procedure. 3 by 5 is cut down 20. 20 into 3, 60. The percentage is 60%. Is it? It is easy. So it is in the ratio form. If it is in the fraction form, 3 by 5. So how we calculate the percentage? 3 by 5 into 100, cut down 20. 20 into 3, 60%. This is in the ratio form. This is in the fraction form. Another form is if the number is in decimal form, how you calculate the percentage? Let's know. 3.5. So convert it into fraction. 3.5 equal to 35 by 10. 35 by 10 into 100. So 10 cut down, 10 into 35, 350%. So you should know that if it is 1, then it is 100%. If it is 2, it is 200%. If it is 3, it is 3%, 300%. So you can imagine that 3.5 means it is more than 300%. So if there is options, 3.5 is dash percent. If there are options 200%, 235%, more than 300%, more than 300%, the option is, this option is right. You can know about it. Some questions about percentage. For example, if shopkeeper sold a thing with 30% discount, if a shopkeeper gave 30% discount and he bought a product, if he bought a product or the thing of 300 rupees, sorry 300 rupees, what is the cost price? What is the cost price? So cost price for the buyer, जो खरीदना चाहते हैं उसके लिए क्या है वो हम देखेंगे। तो कितना डिस्काउंट दिए? 30% डिस्काउंट दिए। द शॉपकीपर गेव 30% डिस्काउंट। ही परचेज द प्रोडक्ट मीन्स कॉस्ट प्राइस is 300 rupees. Discount 30%. First you find out the what is the 30% of 300. 30% of 300. You should know that of means you have to multiply. Of means you have to multiply. So 30 by 100 into 300. Let's cut down. Means you have to reduce it. For easy calculation you have to reduce it. 0 0 0 0. 3 into 30. 3 3 are 9 0. So 90 rupees the person. 90 rupees it is the discounted price. It is the discounted price from 300 rupees. So 300 minus 90 ये इस इतना वो क्या करेगा? इतना वो लेस करके देगा। किसको बेचेगा? जो कस्टमर को। 300 minus 90 it is 210. So it is the cost price for the buyer. It is the cost price for the buyer. Means for the buyer and the selling price for the shopkeeper. शॉपकीपर के लिए बेचने की दाम है, ये खरीदने का दाम। Let's discuss about the question number 2. The Mr. Ram. Another question I want to discuss about. Mr. Ram saves 20% of his earning. If he spends 30%. If he is earning in a month, means monthly salary earning is 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. Find his expenditure. How much the expenditure? कितना वो खर्च करते हैं? Find his expenditure. See, he saves 20%. Means his expenditure out of 100%. Always calculate on 100%. His total earning is 100%. So out of 100%, 20% is his earning. So his expenditure is 100 minus 20%. It is 80%. 80%. So 80%. If 80% is the rest amount, so you have to find out only the 80%. 20,000 into 80 by 100. So let's cut down 0 0 0 0. 80 into 200. See, 8 into 2 16. The zeros are calculate the zeros. And is expenditure. You can check that 20%. So what is 20%? If 80% is 16,000 and total amount is 20,000, the rest amount is it should be 20,000 minus 16,000, 4,000. Let's calculate. Let's check 20% of 20,000. 20% of 20,000. Why 20% of 20,000? Because you have to calculate. You are going to calculate is you are going to calculate his saving. 20% of 20,000, 20 by 100 into 20,000. See 0 0 cut down. 20 into 2 40 0 0 4,000. So these are some question. I will send more question about this, more question about percentage. So you practice this question. Okay.